Option A, acidic hydrolysis of fat or oil. B, alkali hydrolysis of fat or oil. Then C, condensation of two monomer units. D, mixture of glacial ethanoic acid and excess of simple alkanol. So saponification is the process of making soap. Okay, so it is the alkali hydrolysis of fat and oil when you combine fat and oil with an hydroxide. So the answer is option B. So option B is the answer. The next one, 91. Soaps and detergents have the same basic characteristics, except that the carboxyl group of the fatty acid in detergent is replaced by, in soaps, the functional group in soap is the carboxylate group, which is COO-. Okay, this CO- is called the carboxylate group. So this one will now bind to maybe sodium or potassium to form the actual soap. But in detergent, what you have in detergent is different. Detergent has the functional group called the sulfonate functional group. That sulfonate functional group can be written as -SO3. You can also have the sulfate group, which is OSO3-. So any of these two guys is the functional group that is present in detergents. So this one will also bind to Na+ or K+, being potassium, to form the actual detergent. So the answer is sulfate group or sulfonate group. So that's option B. The relatively high boiling point of alkanols is due to dash. So the relatively high boiling point of alkanols is because of the presence of hydrogen bonding. Okay, they have the hydrogen bond. Alkanols have the functional group OH. So because of the hydrogen that is present there will be hydrogen bond in the structure. So that will help to increase or make the boiling points to be high. So the answer is option C. 93. Two important sources of detergents are, you have fat and oil, you have coal and cement, wood, pulp and wood, water and gas. So options B, C, D are not the answers. The answer is option A. So detergent can be obtained from petroleum products or maybe from fat and oils. The next one is 94. What is the process associated with the conversion of vegetable oil to soap? So the process of converting vegetable oils to soap is called saponification. So number 94 is B. When ethanol vapor is passed over manganese 2 ethanoates or manganese acetate catalyst in the presence of air, the product is what? Manganese 2 ethanoates is a reagent which will act as an oxidizing agent. So in the presence of air, it will oxidize ethanol vapor to the highest form, which is ethanoic acid. Okay, so there's no intermediate form. It's not going from ethanol to ethanoic acid. No, it is going straight. It's a direct process. So the answer is ethanoic acid. Then when KOH is used instead of NaOH in the production of soap, it has the following advantages, except that softer soap, harder soap, soap with lower melting point, more soluble soap. So the correct answer to that question is A. During the hydrolysis of fat and oil, if you use KOH, it tends to make the soap very, very soft. So the answer is option A. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to click the follow button so we can meet again. Thanks for watching.